Good afternoon from the apiary. I'm going to do a quick oxalic acid treatment in case you guys are wondering why I sound funny and why we want to do vaporizing by ourselves. This is why. This is what you need to wear when you're doing your oxalic acid vapor. So I wanted to show everybody just how fast the vaporization goes. Got roughly 13 hives here to do, so this should only take me about, oh gosh, 15 minutes or so, and then let it cool down for 10 minutes, then I'll be done. So let's go ahead and treat a hive real quick. So here's the wand, and it's ready to go at that full temperature. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Okay. So what happens is this thing is going to drop down. You can see the steam coming out already. And when it comes back up to full temperature again, I know that it's done and I can move on to the next hive. Pretty exciting, like watching paint dry, but it's a lot faster than using the individual wands. The wands will take about 5 minutes maybe to go through just the heating cycle. So that's it. This hive is done. So and what we do is just move on down the line. You can see I got all the entrances closed off already. So I just do that over and over and over again. So if you haven't treated your mites, get out there and do it right away. We've been seeing a lot of high mite counts coming, and especially with the drops with the hives collapsing. So take care of your hives. Now's the time to do it. See you later.